So in this video, you'll learn how to install Microsoft Teams on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So begin by opening the Google Play Store, and then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Microsoft Teams. And then search. You should see it listed here in the search results. So all you need to do is simply select it. And once selected, just tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been downloaded onto your phone, simply select Open to launch it, or you can go back to the home screen or apps drawer, look for the app from there, and then tap on it and launch the app. So from here, just choose to sign in, and you can now start using Microsoft Teams on your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.